Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. My name is Beach Troll. In today's video, I'm just going to give you a couple of tips on when your state inspection is due. A few things you can check on your vehicle so you're not surprised when you go for the inspection and they tell you that you need to replace certain things and it'll wind up costing you a ton of money. If you do these steps in my video, it'll save you some money in the long run. The first thing you want to do is check and make sure that you do not have your check engine light on for any reason. If you do, you can use a scanner, a diagnostic tool, to pull the code to see what's going on. Or if you don't have a scanner, you can always go to an auto parts store. They'll check your diagnostic port for free and tell you what the probable cause is. The next thing you want to check is your horn. Just give it a quick toot. Just make sure it works. Then you want to check all four of your tires. You want to check the treads. Make sure you're not going to fail your inspection because you need tires. If you do need tires, it's better that you find out so you can shop around for the best price. Because if you're in the shop, most people tend to get the tires from the shop when they're told that they're not going to pass the inspection. Next up are your wiper blades. Make sure they're not cracked or torn. If they are, replace them before your inspection. That'll save you a few bucks. They overcharge for putting wiper blades on. Another thing to check, if you're able to, if you have, a floor jack and you can jack up your vehicle, you want to check your brakes. Check your brake pads and your rotors. If you need brakes on your car, that's going to fail the inspection also. So if you do it yourself, you'll save a ton of money. Check your headlights, make sure they're working, both of them. If you have a bulb out, replace it. Check your turn signal in the front and also in the rear. The left side is working, the right front is working, and the right rear is working. Another thing you want to check are your brake lights. Make sure all three brake lights are working. The left rear brake light, the center brake light, and the right rear brake light. That pretty much sums it up. If you do need something done on your car, better you do it yourself. You'll save money and you'll have the satisfaction of doing it yourself. This way there's no surprises when you go to the shop to get your inspection done. Everything is up to snuff and you should have no problem passing. So if this video helped, I'd appreciate it if you give it a like and think about subscribing if you haven't already. Feel free to comment down below if I forgot something to put in this video. You could help somebody out. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.